Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to connect ChatGPT API to Telegram bot. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to connect the ChatGPT API to a Telegram bot, you need to create a Telegram bot using BotFather. So for this, you need to simply install your Telegram app and get logged in into your account. So once you're logged in into your account, you can use Telegram's bot, that is BotFather, to get an OpenAI API key. So once you get an OpenAI API key, then you can use a platform or custom code to integrate them. You can either use a no-code integration service like Mick, Pipedream, or Onlyzer to build an automation, or even write code in Python to handle the API calls between Telegram and OpenAI. So by doing this, you can simply connect ChatGPT API to Telegram bots. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.